Do you know about Armadillo? Armadillos, safe and sound and sound.
With a shell so tough like a knight's embrace, the armadillo keeps up the pace. Made of bone, it shields from harm, keeping it safe and oh so calm. When danger comes, it doesn't flee. It rolls up tight as tight can be. A ball of armor, safe and strong. Its shell protects it all day long. Armor made of bone and might keeps predators away in fright. Rolling up into a ball, its defense is the best of all. In the wild, when trouble's near, the armadillo shows no fear. Its shell protects from bites and claws, nature's armor without flaws. Bone by bone, it shields a gift, helping it with every swift. A roll, a curl, safe and sound. Its armor keeps it safe all around. Through forests, fields, and deserts wide, the armadillo shell is its guide. A natural defense, always in place. With armor strong, it wins the race. So when you spot an armadillo small, remember it can roll like a ball. A creature wrapped in bones so tough, its armor is more than enough.